Hi, so welcome back to Learn Trade 212 in 2 minutes. One of the most important things to consider when thinking about investing in a stock is considering its balance sheet. But what are balance sheets and how do you access them? Put simply, a balance sheet is a financial report that summarizes what a company owns and what a company owes in a certain period of time, including how much shareholders own within that company. Why are balance sheets important to know? The purpose of a balance sheet is to give you an idea of the company's financial position. It is important that all investors know how to use, analyze, and read a balance sheet, as it may help you make a decision as if you want to invest in that company or not. There are many things you can measure, but a simple one may be comparing a company's debt position versus a competitor who offers the exact same product or service and working out if one company has a big advantage over the other, as one company may have better debt terms, for example. To find a company's balance sheet, search the company on Trade 212, scroll down to balance sheet, and here you'll see the last 3 years numbers. In purple you'll see total assets, and in blue you'll see total liabilities. These numbers are also listed below the chart along with a debt to assets percentage, and this percentage is just the company's total assets divided by the company's total liabilities. The lower this percentage is, the less the company has in liabilities compared to its assets. The other nice thing you can do with the app is that you can view the numbers quarterly instead of annually. To do this, press on annual and then quarterly, which will show you the numbers for the past 3 quarters. It's important to stress these are just overview numbers. You really need to assess the full balance sheet when reviewing companies, and you can find this by pressing the full balance sheet icon. Here you can get to grips with more data which you may want to compare to other companies in that particular field. It's important to note that this is financial information about a company in a certain period of time in the past. Therefore, things can change very quickly. Businesses and markets are dynamic in nature and always moving. Therefore, it's important to look at other pieces of financial information before investing. I hope this video was useful. If it was, make sure you click like and subscribe if you haven't already. But otherwise, I'll see you next time.